Welcome back. You've just landed the world of amazing people and tools do the impossible. Get ready to be amazed? Let's get started. Fast and effective weed control without damaging the dike foundation. This machine is designed with a combination of power and precision. Consuming only 3.5 liters per hour, the Draki cabbage harvester has established itself with its extremely low fuel consumption. Imagine the amount of money farmers can save by owning this giant and efficient machine. This tomato harvester is the key to a bumper crop. With an optimized design for speed and efficiency, it can process up to 16 tons per hectare in a short time, ensuring clean products, reducing waste, and making farmers' work easier. This machine tears through tree stumps like they were nothing. It's truly a display of power and engineering. If someone told me he was a cooking robot, I wouldn't even question it. Need to sort fruit by size? This simple idea will help you do it in a snap. It's hard to tell how long it would take without this device. Separating the cable jacket by hand is no easy task. Watching him work is like watching a performance, but don't copy him unless you are as skilled as he is. It's more than just spraying concrete. It's a process that requires skill, precision, and exceptional strength. With just a hammer and chisel, the craftsman creates amazing uniformity, proving that the human hand is still the best tool. Watching on television is very pleasing to the eye, right? So use your phone to subscribe to the channel to continue enjoying great moments like this. Taking on everything from design to installation by himself, he shows that passion can create great things. Design not working, or you just don't like the look? No worries. This concrete cutter will make quick work of it. If your home is on the small side, this clever design could be the perfect choice. This is not landscaping. It is a profession that requires precision and technical knowledge. Not only does it save time, machines also open the door to smart agriculture. Modern cuisine is a delicate combination of human hands and machine precision. Time to slow down for a second and watch a true work of art take shape. There is nothing more relaxing than watching a CNC machine work, each layer of wood flying out like living art. Not only beautiful, concealed electricity also helps reduce the risk of fire and prolong the life of the building. Machines may be fast, but it is essentially human finesse that brings absolute precision. Fast, neat, precise. He works like he's performing a speed magic trick. We truly appreciate every view and every interaction from you. Hopefully, this video gave you a moment to unwind after a long day.
Bringing the 10-pound foam here.
Not only does this process keep the wood durable, it also helps prevent bacteria from causing illness in your flock. That machine is so powerful, it looks like it could wipe autumn off the calendar. Thanks to its special design, this machine can turn a log into thin planks in just a few seconds. Speed, precision, efficiency. This woodworking shop has it all. This machine processes red-hot steel as if it were clay. Any craftsman will tell you, quality comes from craftsmanship and attention to detail.
I hope these moments have helped you relax after a long day at work. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Goodbye and see you again.